Shrika Toys Review. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, what are you playing today?
Race car.
Ooh, magic track. Race car?
Yes. Race car go round, 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 go over. It go all piece.
Oh, you have 220 pieces of glow track.
Yes,
Okay, you can make a track.
Give one pick one, yellow one, and blue one.
Oh, so many colors, rainbow colors you have, Shrika. Let's see. Okay, what is this? You have a car inside.
Yes. It called red car.
A red car?
Yes.
Okay.
Have four, 10 red and a red one car.
Okay. So magic track, amazing features. Quickly shape together, bend it, flex it, take it to the max. Okay, we have to try all these posters.
Okay, but you were off white and you tiny one.
Oh, if we off light, it will glow?
Yes.
The tracks will glow. Oh yeah, it has an amazing feature.
Yes, they have 10 pieces.
Okay, lights up race car.
Okay,
It glows in the dark. It's 11 feet speedway and it glows in the dark. Okay,
Yeah.
let's open, Shrika.
yeah. Yeah.
What is that? You have a look at?
Put down.
Okay, let's open and fix it. Okay?
And homie.
Okay.
It has red car.
It has red car.
And mommy, I want to open red car. The open piece.
Oh, open. Where does scissors go?
Yeah.
Okay, open.
Mommy, I want red car open piece.
Okay, let me cut and you can open. Okay?
I
Yeah,
wanna
you can pull
up.
out. You can pull out.
Okay. Mommy, open.
And you also got 4 pieces.
In one car piece, I do one piece, and I want car.
Okay,
One
mommy
car.
cut this tracks and Shrika will take the car.
Yes,
Okay, we got a blue one, green, a red, it's a kind of orange, and yellow. Okay, let's fix all the tracks and let's drive the speedway and see in dark, let it glows. Okay, Shrika?
Okay.
Got the stickers also to put in the runway and the signals, flags, first prize, medals, stars, and
Come red car.
emoji smiley
Come red
faces,
car.
emoji feelings,
Come red car.
and we got a red car in it.
It come out red car. First and
Fix the tracks.
Yes.
Mommy, you did.
I do.
Mommy did.
Okay.
Mommy, you help me.
Yeah, mommy help you, Shrika.
Yeah, I
Can you
will.
start, Shrika?
Yes.
Oh,
I
okay.
want to kick her. I want to kick her, Daddy.
Oh, you want a sticker? Okay, let me.
I want Daddy. I hope I want card. I want to kick her.
Which sticker you want? What sticker you want?
I want this.
Oh, you want that? Oh, that's for what?
Come red one.
Red one. Okay, let me see. Oh. Get one more, mom. Get one more, Shrika.
Got.
Show me. Let me open and give it.
Oh no, I can do it. I got it. Oh, okay. So, where you want it?
What is that?
Stick this up.
Okay, that is speedway. Speedy.
You want it?
Oh, okay, there.
Okay, let me.
Not like that. Oh, like that? Okay.
Race car, peace, go, treasure.
Okay, start, Shrika.
Shrika, start. Oh, you want one more?
Okay, start, car.
Okay, start. Start. 1, 2.
No, you have to put on tracks and on. Otherwise, it will go away.
Shrika, come on. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Oh my god!
Okay, wait. First see. like how it's going to go super speed, Shrika.
Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop. Chop it. Hey,
Hey, stop, stop, stop.
chop,
Let me
chop.
stop it.
On.
Start.
Start.
Off, off,
Yeah, Daddy will have once put there.
off.
Wow, nice try. Wow, so speed, Shrika. It is so speedy. Daddy, off lights.
Off
Let's
lights,
see.
okay.
It will
One,
go.
2,
Oh,
3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh.
Wow, it's glowing very pretty.
Wow. Oh, Shrika, let's try with this. Okay, let's try.
Oh, you want to
One,
stop
two.
this for signal?
Careful. Okay,
You catch?
you caught.
And I walk.
Okay, Shrika, this one. Try this one. Okay, leave.
I'll go faster.
Go faster.
Yay!
Oh,
Shrika, one more time. Wait,
Shrika, wait. Oh, it in the straight way.
Wait, Shrika. Wow, it's jumping.
Oh, it is.
Climbing up.
I'm walking.
Uh-oh.
So now it is in good shape. So many shapes you can do it.
Flex it.
Bend it, flex it, take it to the max. Oh, last one. Right?
Last one you wanna try now? Last one. Wow, let's see if I can do like this. Uh-oh.
Shrika just woke up and she want to play again. Right, Shrika? You are enjoying a lot. Wow, it's a super speed. Oh, it hits Shrika hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Whoa. It's a super speed. You want to catch? No, you have to put on the tracks. Hit Daddy.
Uh-oh. No? No?
It's
Go. Oh, this way? Oh, this way.
Catch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Where is going? Oh, it hit his box. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Daddy chair. You put under daddy chair.
Now. Now. Stay here, okay? Don't come there. Stay here.
Okay, we'll make some more turns like this. Making nice turns, Shrika. Okay, we'll put very close tracks. Oh, it reach up. It is reaching up.
fire here.
Sticker, stick some sticker here.
Fire.
Go.
Oh, wow, wow.
Round, round. You want round? Okay. Put round. Okay.
Mommy, where's your
Okay. Put round.
Oh.
Owl shape. It's an owl.
Oh.
Okay. Go.
Oh, yes. I want to wish and I over. Stop, stop, stop. I catch it. I catch.
Okay.
I want to wish
You want to put fish over there?
Yeah. Mama's what's our one, burger, and yellow one, and a burger, and butter,
Yellow.
yellow,
Yellow.
yellow,
You have one more green.
and
Okay. What do you want to do?
great car. Great car. Get out the box. And get out the box.
Okay. Go.
This.
Okay. Go.
And go back up and go for time. First go, first button, first button.
Okay. Put. Press the button.
Go back.
Oh, fishes are inside. You won't eat fishes, Shrika. You want to eat fishes?
Check.
Oh, that is a stop signal.
Yes. Ta ta ta.
You want to stop? Oh, it's a stop signal there.
I'm going.
Let's go. Oh, fishes want to cross. Okay. Cross the path. Okay, cross the path. Car has stopped.
Jingle.
Go.
Oh, I shall go. Go with mommy. Yes.
Please subscribe and like us for more fun videos.